Take your head on this side. Ha! I knew it. Over here. Should we use two just to use that little walkway across?
Yeah, we're gonna go across.
Mm-hmm.
Do the walkway at level 2? Okay. Parking and bridge to Disney Springs. Yes, yes it is.
Ah, here we are. Now that's an interesting device. I know. I see what you're doing. Go this way. Wow, those go down really far. Wow, look how far those go. Many escalators as I can out here, you know. Fire alarm. Inside of the elevators. Different elevator shafts and everything, you know. Actually. Now, of course, everyone knows what the AED is here, but not many people know what that is. So that little device has a green info button right there and the red 911 button. The red button is to be used in case of an emergency of some sort, you know. Green button, don't know what it is. More fire alarms and elevators. And you see, there's a real large speaker show. It's rebranded by Siemens.
Your mom's not really drinking either, so.
Remember, this place has these escalators that have the red railings. Red railings. Oh, that's some nice stuff right here. Oh wow. Interesting noises this thing's making. Ah, yes. We love ZNS. They're grounded by Siemens. Now, go down the escalator. So you got the red railings right here. Kind of rare for an escalator. Red railings. Man, there's some short stairs. Small stairs. I probably use it down that area too. What? That's a nice hat.
Whoa.
Yeah, mostly because I'm in front of you. I know. I have one of them, Jane. Ah, this one. Yes, something I did not catch when I was going down the elevator, and the window was foggy. Okay. Another one of those things. And elevator closed.